All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the calendar year 2021 Asphalt Paving and Resurfacing contract bid opening. Please note that this bid opening is being recorded right now. At its conclusion, I will post it up on the town website. It usually goes, it might be on the town website, or it will link you over to YouTube so you can have your own copy of that. If you will. And also at the end of this, I will be doing a bid tabulation, which will go onto the Town of Dedham website, the same location where you obtain the bid, where you register to be a plan holder. There will be a bid tab there that you can download for yourself, for your references as well. That will be done at some point this afternoon, just to give me time to go through everything. But now that it being 10 o'clock, we'll get into the bid openings. Just so everyone is aware, I have one from TL Edwards, LaRusso, DNR, Rochester, PJ Keating, Maiozzi, and Mario Susi. And don't mind me if I'm turning away. I'm trying to do the tally and read the bids and everything as well. So don't mind me if I'm not always facing the screen. Our first one's going to be TL Edwards. There is a bid bond attached. Letter opener. It has been signed. Please note there are no addendum associated with this contract, so there's no need to acknowledge any addendum. There was not any. All right. And the bid total for TL Edwards is $890,212.50. So that's $890,212.50. Again, that was for TL Edwards. Next one will be LaRusso Corp. There is a bid bond attached. It is signed. And we have a total bid of $847,820.00. Again, for LaRusso Corp, $847,820.00. Next one is DNR Contracting. There is a bid bond. It is signed. And we have a bid total of $938,710.00. Again, this is DNR General Contracting. Bid total $938,710.00. Next is Rochester Bituminous. There is a bid bond attached. The bid is signed. And we have a bid total of $792,087.50. Again, that's Rochester Bituminous. They are at $792,087.50. Next is PJ Keating. There is a bid bond attached. The bid is signed. And we have a bid total of $924,387.50. Again, for PJ Keating, $924,387.50. Next is T. Miozzi. There is a bid bond attached. Contract is signed. A bid is signed. We have a bid total of $818,657.50. Again, T. Miozzi, $818,657.50. And our last one is going to be Mario Susi. We have a bid bond attached. Contract is signed. We have a bid total of $1,120,550.00. Again, $1,120,550.00. Just give me a quick minute and I'll get together the lowest three apparent bidders. Yep, thank you. All right, so our apparent low bidder is Rochester Bituminous, followed by T. Miozzi, and lastly, LaRusso Corp as the lowest three bidders. Again, thank you everyone for attending. I will be putting together the bid tab today. I will place it on the website, so keep checking back at the same spot where you acquired the bids, and those will be posted up there this afternoon. If you have any specific questions, you can reach out to me directly. Again, I'm Jason Mamoni, Director of Engineering for the town of Dedham. I apologize I didn't open up with that. But if you have any questions or concerns, you can call me or email me directly, and I will do my best to get out to everybody. So again, thank you very much for attending, and we look forward to seeing everyone soon enough. Take care.